Hello students, welcome to my channel. So our today's topic is class science. Topic is map. So in this I will provide the important map list, okay? And you will get the chapter wise the topic and you have to practice it. So we will start our topic by the chapter. First is the nationalism in India. So the first thing is a place where the Congress session was held in 1920, so which is in 1920 is in Calcutta and the Nagpur. The another one is a place where the Congress session was held in 1927, which is in Madras. The next incident which was happened is the Jallianwala Bagh incident, which is happened in the Amritsar and Amritsar is in Punjab. The next calling of the non-cooperation movement, which is the Chauri Chaura incident, the which is in the state of the UP Uttar Pradesh and which was happened in 1922. The next movement was the civil disobedience movement, which was happened in Dandi. The place is in Gujarat. The next is movement of indigo planters, which is in Champaran. The next is peasant satyagraha, which is in Kheda. The next is cotton mill workers satyagraha, which is in Ahmedabad. So from the first chapter, which is the nationalism in India, you have to practice of these topics. Surely it will be come for the exam. So if you want, I will provide the answer key of the maps also. So put the comment section yes. So the next video I will make it on the answer keys of the map. The next chapter we have the manufacturing industries. In this first we will let's see about the software technology park. So first we have the Gandhinagar Software Technology Park, which is located in the Gujarat. The question will be asked maybe the in the map they highlighted the Gandhinagar Software Technology Park and they will ask where is it located. Then you have to mention the Gujarat there. The next is Noida Software Technology Park, which is in, of course, in Uttar Pradesh, UP side. The next is Bangalore Software Technology Park, which is the state of Karnataka. The next is Mumbai Software Technology Park, which is Maharashtra. The next is Chennai Software Technology Park, which is in Chennai. Then next is the Thiruvananthapuram Park. And here I also mentioned ki in which year these things already are see. You can able to see here in Gandhinagar Software Technology Park, which is asked in the CBSE 2019 question paper. This one, the Chennai Software Technology Park, which is also asked in the 2019 CBSE paper. Okay, and the Thiruvananthapuram Park is located in the Kerala state. Hyderabad Software Technology Park is in Hyderabad. Then Pune one, which is located in the Pune. So you can take the screenshot of this and start practicing of the map because surely 5 marks question will be come for an final exam in the board. The next we have the cotton textile industries, which is in Mumbai, Surat, Indore, Kanpur, and the Coimbatore. The next we have the iron and the steel plant, which is first is in Durgapur, and Durgapur is located in the state of the West Bengal. The next we have Bokaro, which is in Jharkhand. The next we have Jamshedpur, then Bhilai. Bhilai is in Chhattisgarh. The next we have Vijayanagar, which is in the state of the Karnataka. The next we have Salem, which is in Tamil Nadu. So these are our iron and the steel plants. The next chapter for the map wise, we have the minerals and the energy resources. In this first, we will think about the iron ore mine. So iron ore mine in the first, we are talking about the Mayurbhanj. So Mayurbhanj is located in the state of Odisha. Then next we have Durg, which is in Chhattisgarh. The next we have Baladela, which is in Chhattisgarh. The next we have Bellary, which is in Karnataka state. Then we have Kuzarmukh, which is also in the Karnataka state. These are the iron ore mines. Now we will see the coal mines. The coal mines we have in the Raniganj. The Raniganj is located in the West Bengal. Then again we have the Bokaro, which is in Jharkhand. Then we have Talcher, which is in Odisha. Then Neyveli, which is in Tamil Nadu. These are our coal mines. The next we have the oil field. Oil field in the oil field first we have the Big Boy, which is in Assam. Then we have the Nahakatia, which is in Assam again. Then we have Mumbai High, same Mumbai, Maharashtra. Then we have the base in Maharashtra. If you want the answer key, please put in the comment section. Yes, I will make the video. Next video I will make for the answers keys also. Now next we have the Kalol, which is in Gujarat. Then we have Ankleshwar again in the Gujarat. So these are our oil fields. Now next we have two types of the power plants. First we have the thermal power plants, and the next we have the nuclear thermal power plant. So in the power plant we have to learn the three things. First is Namrup, which is in Assam state. Next we have Singrauli, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Then we have Ramagundam, which is in Telangana state. And for the nuclear thermal power plants, we have first Narora, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Then we have Karapara, which is in Gujarat. Then Tarapur, which is in Maharashtra. And then Kalpakam, which is in Tamil Nadu. Kalpakam, basically, which is in the Tamil Nadu state. So here our chapter, which is, I think, yeah, mineral and energy resources, map wise is done. Then next we have the chapter name is water resources. From the water resources chapter, we have only learned about the dams, okay? And these dams are very important. So first we have the Hirakud Dam, which is state of the Odisha. Then we have the Tungabhadra Dam, which is state in the Karnataka. Then we have Bhakra Nangal Dam, which is state in the Himachal Pradesh. Then we have Salal Dam, which is in Jammu and Kashmir. Then we have Dhari Dam, which is Tehri Dam, which is in Uttarakhand. Then we have the Sardar Sarovar Dam, which is in Gujarat. Rana Pratap Sagar Dam we have in Rajasthan, then Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is in Telangana. So from the water sources chapter, we have to learn only the dam. Now the next chapter is resources and development. In this, we have to learn the soil types. We have different types of soil: black soil, arid soil, lateral soil, red and yellow soil. So first, we are learning about the black soil. So black soils are found in which places? It is in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Deccan Plateau, and the Malwa Plateau. Then we have arid soil, which is in the state of Haryana, western Rajasthan part, Punjab, and Gujarat. Then we have laterite soil, which is in eastern Ghat and western Ghat, southern part of the Maharashtra, then Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand, Kerala, and the Assam. The next we have forest and mountainous soil, which mostly in the upside of the map, like Jammu and Kashmir area. So Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. Then we have alluvial soil, which is in the another place. Then we have red and yellow soil, which is in Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, southern Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and the Rajasthan. So from this chapter, we have to only learn about the soil types. Okay. The next we have agriculture chapter, where we have to learn the planters. So wheat. First, we are talking about the wheat. So major wheat producing state is in Punjab. Then major producer of the jute, which is West Bengal. The state which is the major producer of the coffee, which is Karnataka. Then we have a major rice producing state, which is Bihar. A major sugarcane producer in the south, which is Maharashtra. Then a major rubber producing state, which is Kerala. A major sugarcane producer. Okay, producer in the south. Okay. Then we have sugarcane plantation, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Then we have coffee plantation, which is in Nilgiri Hills in southern India. Then we have tea cultivation, which is Darjeeling in the hill regions, West Bengal. Then we have rubber cultivation, which is in Karnataka. Then cotton cultivation is in Maharashtra. Then we have wheat cultivation, which is in Punjab. Okay. Then the next chapter we have the last chapter, which is the lifelines of the national economy. Surely they will ask about the airport. So first we know that Chennai International Airport. Sometimes they will not give the mention the Chennai International Airport. They will mention the Meenambakkam. So you have to learn that the Meenambakkam is what? Meenambakkam is basically Chennai International Airport, which is located in the Chennai. Then we have the Tuticorin port, which is in Tamil Nadu. Then we have the Kolkata International Port, which is also called as the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose airport name. Sometimes they directly ask from there, the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose airport. They will not mention the Kolkata, so you have to learn that, which is in the state of the West Bengal. Then we have the Chhatrapati Shivaji. We know that that is the Mumbai International Airport, which is in Maharashtra. Then we have Marmagaon Port, which is in Goa. Then we next have Rajiv Gandhi International Port, which is in Hyderabad. Then we have Visakhapatnam Port, which is in Andhra Pradesh. Then we have Indira Gandhi International Airport, which is in New Delhi. Chennai Port, which is in Tamil Nadu. Then we have Rajasthani International Port, which comes in the last 2019 and 18 exam, which is in Amritsar, Punjab. So these are the airport. Now we have the seaports. So Kandla seaport, which is located in Gujarat, then Mumbai seaport, basically in the Maharashtra, then New Mangalore seaport, which is in Karnataka, Kochi seaport, which is in Kerala, Paradip is in Odisha, Haldia seaport, which is in West Bengal. So Kochi and Paradip also are in the 2019 paper. Now we have the railway zones. uh, they will mention the railway zones, and we have to find out in which headquarter it belongs to. So railways and central railways is in Mumbai, eastern railways in Kolkata, northern railway we have in New Delhi, northern eastern railways in Gorakhpur, northeast frontier railways in Guwahati, southern railways in Chennai, south central railway within Secunderabad, southeastern railways is in Kolkata, western railways in Mumbai, east central railways in Hajipur, East Coast Railway in Bhubaneswar. Is it Bhubaneswar, right? Then next we have the North Eastern Railway, which is in Allahabad. Then North Western Railway, one more, is in Jaipur. Then we have Southeast Central um Railway, which is in Bilaspur. Then Southwestern Railway, Hubballi. Western Central Railway is in Jalab. So these are the list for the map. Okay, you have to practice it of that. Surely 5 marks question will become from the map. All the best for the 10th graders. Okay, I hope your exam will be good. If you want the answer key of map, please ask in the comment section. I will provide the answer keys of this. If you're still new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe it. So whenever new video I will upload, so you will get the notification about that. Okay. Bye bye. We will see you in the next class.